right, guys, this is Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. We are in the final stretch of my Pasteloween swap. I'm going to be packaging everything up today. So I kind of have little piles here. I've got my sequins mixes here, my clipboards here, memory decks, doilies, extra goodies, my little treat bags up here. And then I've got this container, which just holds all of my clear bags. And then I've got this stack of different Halloween bags that I've got here that I kind of collected over the years. So I'd like to use up some of this stuff. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is I pulled out these two, and I know I got these both at Michael's probably 2 years ago on their sale. So they were like 70 or 80% off when I got them. So let's put our memory decks in here. I think they're gonna fit perfectly. And I'll just get 2 of each pattern. And they have a really cute closure on them, and they look super vintage to me. So these are the cats, and then they've got these little witch hats that you clip on the clothes with these tiny little black clothespins. So I'll get 2 of those out, and then 2 of the clothespins. And then the Happy Halloween bags, the black bags, have a really vintage looking jack-o'-lantern on it. So cute. So they look like this. And then again with the black clothespins. So those out. I think these should fit. Yeah, they're just gonna fit. So they might be in there kind of tight. Let's check. Oh goodness. Okay, it's not gonna look that way. Will it fit this way? I think it's just gonna fit this way. Okay, perfect. And then we'll put this down like this. Just fold it once. And then we're gonna do the hat. Actually, I'm gonna staple it too, just to be on the safe side. I have a feeling it is not going to stay closed. And then we'll just do a little clothespin just for decoration. Okay, super cute. So let's put those up here when they're done. You know, and none of these are like exactly the same, so I'm hoping they'll all fit. And I didn't go super high on any of them. This pumpkin stem is just gonna clear that. Okay. And the clothespin. All right, these I want to put in something because I am afraid that they're going to pop open. So I have little skinny bags. Get those out. Let's see if they fit in here. That might be too thin, but let's take a look. Okay, that is going to be perfect. And then we will just fold that over like that. That's going to keep it nice and tight. Okay, great, great, great. All right. Okay, next on the list are the clipboards. So on each clipboard, I wanted to do a pastel goat or skeleton. So I've got these. They came off a dollar spot banner, I think from the Target dollar spot. Okay, so those can go on there. And then I wanted to put, I picked up these on clearance at Michael's. So everybody gets one of those. And then everybody gets a random Halloween sticker that I had in my stash. And then I have the doily packs. So I don't know that they're all gonna fit on here, but let's do, something like this. Hold that down. Do this. I'll just do this. All right, we're just gonna do that. And then these can go underneath each one like this. And we can do that. And then we'll tie these all together with like twine. So let's see if I have a bag that would be big enough to hold all of this. Thinking maybe these. Let's see if these do. These are just from Dollar Tree. They're just the treat bags. They're clear. I'm gonna see if one fits, and then if it fits, then we'll do some shred and stuff inside of it. So, get it open. Start with this. I think the straw is going to have to come off. Put the straw and sequin mix. Okay, that just fits. I don't have very much room to tie it. Let's do, let me move this over. I think if I put the straw sideways, then we can. So there's just enough room. This side stapled. And we'll do this side. It's so slippery. All right, so this side stapled. Okay, so it all fits in there. Then we'll do a really cute ribbon. Let me grab some ribbon and twine. All right, so I've got some twine. Let me cut off a long piece of this. Then I've got spider web ribbon from Dollar Tree. I've got glitter ribbon from Dollar Tree. Ooh, I like that. I didn't know it looked like that and it was sheer. Very cute. So I got that, and then I have pink seam binding Add a little bit of pink to that. And let's see what this looks like. They can use the ribbon too. They can reuse that. There, that's how they're gonna look, guys. I think that's so cute. I cannot wait to send these off. I hope that everybody enjoys their goodies. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for following along with me in this series. This has been super fun. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.